Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Siliguri location. It is from West Bengal. I am going to provide all the links in the description box to apply. If you are interested in any of the job role mentioned in this video, you can please go through it. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for Assistant Manager Credit Operations. And coming to the job duties and key responsibilities for this position, like ensure SLA delivery for each process, to ensure quality of files processed by the operations team or within the specified guidelines, achieve service to sales members, to enroll all cash management services at the branch or delivered, achieve service related that on specific deliverables like generating tokens, FTR, TAT, etc. These are some duties and key responsibilities for this job position. And if you see the required qualifications and experience, like you should have 2 to 4 years of experience and minimum 1 year of experience in managing branch operations, and should be a postgraduate and should have collaborative work style to engage with peers and colleagues across the company, and should have excellent communication skills along with strong presentation and data analytics skills, and you should be self-motivated and a self-starter. These are some qualifications and experience required for this job position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job vacancy available in Courtyard by Marriott. They are looking for senior cluster IT specialist. If you see the job responsibilities, like you should be troubleshoot and resolve technical problems or issues related to computer software and systems, provide technical guidance and recommendations to resolve business problems, analyze, recommend and implement process improvements, enter commands and activate controls on computer and peripheral equipment to integrate and operate equipment, troubleshoot, modify, support, manage and maintain applications, programs and user accounts, and maintain records of daily data communication transactions, problems and remedial actions taken or installation activities, train or instruct users in the proper use of hardware or software. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the Senior Client Relations Officer. It is from Wizrite. For this job position, the candidate should be graduate and above, and it will be a full-time job opportunity and it will be a permanent, and the salary ranges from 15 to 25,000 with additional incentives based on performance and completion of monthly targets. And for this job portion, the eligibility criteria will be 5 to 15 years of experience in a client-facing role in a reputed organization. Candidates should have excellent communication skills and be fluent in English and Hindi, and any other languages known would be an added bonus. The roles and responsibilities will include operational understanding, managing, handling, and coordinating the entire services for their esteemed clients and deliver an exceptional experience. Interested candidates, you can please go through the given details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for the key account manager. It is from Fab Hotels. For this job portion, the key responsibilities will include all these ones, like you should identify market movers of B2B sales and setting up meetings with corporate clients and building a network of corporate clients and meeting the corporate clients and pitching about their product and generating business from corporate clients or SMEs, and understanding the business flow of market and cross-selling hotels across India, and taking reportings of daily sales from agents and helping them to grow, These are some key responsibilities I have mentioned here. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the field recruiter. It is from Twocoms Consulting Private Limited. For this job portion, the desired candidate will include all these ones like mass recruitment, blue collar hiring, coordination and perseverance skills, punctuality and timelines, and good communication. Knowledge of vernacular is must, and the candidate can interact with stakeholders, and the candidates should have their own Android phone and own bike or scooter, and proficient in regional language is must, and proficient in English is preferred, and mass recruitment of field executives work experience is preferred. Interested candidates, so you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the web designer and it is from Pradhan Bros Private Limited. For this job portion, experience and skills required like 0 to 2 years of relevant experience in web designing. Like freshers also can apply for this job portion, and candidates should have strong knowledge in Photoshop, Dreamweaver, HTML, CSS, table-based div tags, JavaScript and jQuery. Interested candidates, you can please go through the job. Last one, there is a job opening for the PHP developer. It is from Akol Information Systems Limited. For this job portion, you should have 4 years of experience. For this job portion, like requirements and skills, you should have experience in React, Angular 2x4, HTML5 and CSS3, Node or Python or TDD or RESTful web services, and experience in relational databases, Oracle or Postgres SQL is must, and experience in REST-based service is a requirement, and experience in Linux command is must, and experience in deploying applications on AWS, Jenkins, Jet, NPM is must, and business understanding and client handling experience is required, and experience in frameworks like Code Igniter, Laravel, or Cake PHP. These are some requirements and skills I have mentioned here for this job portion. Interested candidates, you can please go through the link given below in the description box.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.